gals, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining back on here on my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Tijani, but you can just call me JT. If it's not your first time, welcome back, my love. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys this wig. This wig is from Curls and Curls. Let me grab the box. This wig is from Curls and Curls. They sent me the wig, Caroline lace wig. This is 13 by 6 deep parting. The curl pattern is kinky blown out. The density is 150%. The length is 18 inch and the cap is small. Now, the first thing I'm going to quickly do is show you guys the unboxing of the wig and also what the wig looks like in natural state and what came in the box and all that good stuff. However, be sure to check my description box for all the details, all the links to this hair. I'm going to leave it in my description box. So let's quickly jump into that. As you guys can tell, the hair is already on my head and I definitely love how it turned out. I love how lightweight it feels and how natural it looks. It's like I straighten my natural hair, but you people know that my hair is not this long. I don't think we ever get this long. But the wig looks like my hair, so let's keep it that way. It is my hair. Okay. Let's just jump into the makeup tutorial. I feel like I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a while and I really want to do one. Today I'm going to be using a couple of stuff that I got in my PR package from Provisions Cosmetics. Packaging to these little PR boxes, I really love them. I know I can definitely hang this on my Christmas tree to act as an ornament, but it's so cute. I really don't want to remove it, but I have to remove it because I have to use the makeup. I also got this in a PR package from Urban Decay. This is their primer portion. I have not used this in quite a long time. I'm going to quickly prep my eyes. I don't even remember how this used to perform. Like, do we used to use just the primer portion and then go right into the eyeshadow, or do we use the primer and then add a base? Because I can't remember. The name of the palette I'll be using is the Mini Rubies, and again, it's from Provision Cosmetics. First, I'm going to take the shade Sizzle. Sizzle is this burnt orange shade right here. I'm going to be taking the shade Ruby. Definitely need some definition on my eyes. So I'm going to be taking the Juvia's Place Saharian blush palette. And this is volume 1, and I'll be taking the shade Abby. I took a bit more of the primer portion and I applied that on my lid, and now I'll be taking the shade Rouge. I'm going to take a bit more of Abby. And I will use that to just kind of blend out the outer edge. I also got the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. And this is the shade, it's black. I also got a PR package from Glam Addict Lashes. One of my favorite lashes from Glam Addict is definitely their Buzz, B-I-T-C-H, but I think I'm going to save this for another time. Today, I'm going to be using the style Swanky. Swanky is a very dramatic lashes, and that's what I'll be using today. I was also sent this Heavy Metal glitter liner from Urban Decay, so I think I want to use that today. And that's what it looks like. And this is the shade Midnight Cowboy. And I'm just gonna use this as a liner. Glam Addict also sent me their lash glue. And while I wait for my lashes to get tacky, I'm gonna move on to prepping my face for foundation. I'm taking the Pore Purifier from Paula's Choice. Now I'll be taking the Paula's Choice Daily Hydrating Fluid, and I'm gonna use this as my moisturizer. For primer, I'll be taking the Milk Hydro Grip. For foundation, I'll be using the Stay Naked foundation from Urban Decay, and this is the shade 70WY. So contour, I'll be taking the Black Radiance foundation stick, and this is the shade Espresso. I'm going to set my under eye concealer using Sacha Buttercup. I'm going to set my entire face using the Frankie Rose setting powder, and this is the shade Chestnut. For lips, I'll be taking the ColourPop X Shaler, and this is, I can never find shades. I don't know which one this is. BFF4. My lip color is also going to be from Provision Cosmetics. This is their mini liquid lipstick, and I'm going to be using the shade Barley. I'm going to set my entire face using Milani Make It Last. I'm also going to use this lip topper from Provision, and this is the shade Yes. Alright dolls, this is the completed look. I do hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really love how the hair turned out. As you guys can see, you guys just take a look at this. I really love how it turned out. It was very easy to straighten. I love this wig. I love how easy it was to style. It was very easy for me to flat iron. I could have worn it the way it was, but it's going to be very big. That's why I thought to, tame it down a little bit. And it is super duper soft. That's one thing I know. It is very soft. I am getting a little bit of shedding, and I think that's from me cutting off the lace and cutting off the hair tabs. It is super lightweight, yet it is full. That's one thing I love about this. I know I can definitely style this in different ways. I can definitely see me doing a bridal inspired look with this, you know, like pinning up the hair, like curling the hair, pinning it up. I can also see this wig being wand curled, and I know it's going to be very pretty. I cannot wait to do that. As you can see, I cannot stop running my finger through it. The one thing I wish was it was longer, but this might actually be my everyday wig, so that's why I don't mind the length. If it was my going out wig, then I would definitely prefer it to be at least 22 inches, you know, so that I can look like a, you know, like a babe, you know now. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching as always, dolls, and I'll see you guys in my next one.